Tress to Impress. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I apply these custom press-on fruit nails with 3D designs by Nailed It Rachel. If you are interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share out the video. Before I get too deep into the video, I would like to mention that this video is not sponsored. I am simply supporting a brand that I love. These are custom press-on nails made specifically for my nail size, so I should not have to do much customization as far as the shaping. This is how the nails come. There are directions for application and for removal of the press-on nails so that you can reuse them, which I absolutely love. And then also you get all of the materials that you need, including the stickies, the glue, the alcohol pad, the files, the cuticle pusher. Everything is already included for you. Now, I am well aware of the fact that my nails look absolutely horrible. I have not been maintaining them well. I have removed acrylic. I have been ripping off press-ons that have been glued on. So I am right now in the process of regrowing my nails and getting them back to a healthy state. So rather than gluing these press-ons on in this video, I am actually going to be using the stickies and showing you how I apply them so that they stick very well. I start off by cleaning out my nails, as you just saw, and then I go in and buff the top of my nails. All of the products that I'm going to be using in this video were included when I ordered this set of press-on nails, to be clear. During the buffing process, I realized that this buffer has a smoother side and a rougher side, which is amazing because I have some glue residue left on my nails that I did not have time to soak off. So I'm using the rough side to file that extra product down off the top of my nails, and then I'm using the smooth side to get the surface as smooth as possible. So normally if I did not have any type of glue left on the top of my nails, I would just use the smooth side because my nails are naturally thin. Now, I like to take the alcohol wipe and clean everything off. That's going to clear all of the debris and oils off of the nail. However, I realized once I finished up with the alcohol pad that I actually did not file my nails. So in the next step, you're going to see that I go back and file the corners of my nails. I find that with wearing press-on nails, it's actually helpful if my natural nail is left long, so I stop cutting them all the way down. However, with the shape that I've ordered, which is coffin, if I don't file the corners of my nails inward, then the edges of my nails will show from underneath the press-ons, and that is something that I don't want. I want the press-ons to look as if my real nail is painted, or at the very least I have an acrylic set. So all I'm doing in this step is filing the corners of my nails inward just a bit to camouflage them underneath the press-on nails. And now it is time to apply the stickies. I have tried this step in several different methods, but this is the method that works the best for me. So I start off by removing the press-on nail from the card that it was shipped in, and I find a sticky that fits the back side of the nail as closely as possible, remove the sticky from its card and place it on the press-on nail and smooth it down so that there are no air pockets. And then there's a little backing on the sticky that I use a tweezer to peel off because it's just easier that way for me. You will see me struggle with the tweezer a little bit in the video, and that is because I use the absolute oldest, most raggedy pair of tweezers that are in my entire home. So anyway, I repeat that process for every nail, and then I go back and press all of the nails on to my finger. I've tried putting the stickies on my nail first, I've tried it all. This method really works the best. Let's just take a moment to admire how cute these nails are and how detailed they are. I love the 3D designs so much, and you will be able to see them a lot better in the clips that I have at the end of this video. And I highly recommend that you guys do business with Nailed It Rachel and try out some of her press-on sets. I have never been disappointed with my sets. I will say that I had to find the shape that fits my nails best. I have very, very, very small nail beds, and whenever I have tried different shapes of nails with her, they have never fit all of my nails. So I stick with this long coffin shape for a reason. Also, you may notice in some of these clips that I am sizing the nails on my fingers, and they are custom sets and they are made to fit my nails perfectly. However, the 3D designs, especially on the grape nails, kind of give the illusion that the nail is bigger than what it really is. So I was just checking the sizes and making sure I have all of the nails planned out to go on the nails that they appear to fit the best on. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you have definitely seen me apply some of these press-on nail sets from Nailed It Rachel. I have been doing business with her for years, and like I said, I've never been disappointed. Aside from ordering a shape that just did not fit my nails properly. I will be sure that all of the brand information is down in the description box below so that you guys can check out her Instagram and order some of her products. If you decide to do business with Nailed It Rachel, please be sure to tell her that Tress to Impress sent you. The only thing left to do is press these nails onto my natural nails, and the process will be all done. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you can be notified as soon as I upload videos, and let me know what you guys think of these nails down in the comments below, and let me know what videos you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.